Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the newly released LUX TQ1 smart thermostat. This is a Matter-enabled device that needs a hub or controller that operates on the Matter technology, but I will go through the initial steps on how to do this and show you how to connect. You need basically either Amazon Echo, use Google Home, or Samsung SmartThings to connect to this thermostat. It needs a Matter-enabled hub or controller, which means you need to have another piece in order to connect this. It does not connect just through your phone or Wi-Fi. So that's the system and the structure that has to be used. You need a Matter-enabled hub or controller. But I do have other videos covering other aspects of this thermostat. So if you're interested in manual override, factory reset, install setup, and menu options, as well as 7-day programming, please check out those videos down below this video or in the upper right in the cards. But I want to show you how to connect this thermostat. It's really simple, okay? So you're going to have to choose what kind of app you're going to use, okay? Let's pull up the Alexa. So as you can see here, we have Amazon Echo. If you had that set up with the hub or controller, you would use that, or the Matter device here. You'd essentially pick your app that you want to use, whether it's Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or the Samsung SmartThings, and then you would come over to the thermostat and hold down the menu button here in the middle. As you can see there, now it's in pairing mode. So when it's in pairing mode, it wants to connect to your phone and connect to that hub. So when that is complete, you will get prompts on your phone to complete the connection. Now you have to press that button and hold it in this button here, the menu button, in order to do that, okay? And then follow the prompts on your app, on your smartphone, to finish the process. There's many different apps, like I said, that you can use, as long as it's a Matter-enabled hub or controller that's connected to that phone app. You will be able to use that as basically a pass-through. So when that's set up, you can basically use your thermostat throughout the home within range of that Matter-enabled hub or controller. I don't have a Matter-enabled hub or controller, so I could not connect with my phone. But I wanted to bring you this video to show you how to make connectivity and how to do that. As well as when you go through the menu, you can also select connectivity and hit select. This will give you an option here, a QR code to scan with your phone. I will do that and show you what it does. Okay. As soon as you do that, it will bring up different options. Getting everything ready. Couldn't add device. Okay, so you get the idea. As soon as you scan this QR code, if you have a Matter-enabled hub or controller in your home set up already, you would be already good to go, and it would prompt you to the next steps of making a connection and then using your device, using this smart thermostat, and making temperature changes and set point changes and schedule changes as needed. So that there is how you connect using the button on the smart thermostat, the LUX TQ1, and then work through those prompts to figure out which app you want to use on your phone and which one is more convenient for you. But like I said, check out my other videos. I have manual override, factory reset, install, setup, and menu options, 7-day programming. But that there covers connecting to your phone app and how to connect to a Matter-enabled hub. It's a matter of just working through the process, scanning the QR code, and then going through the prompts. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Please check out my other videos, and I'll see you on the next video.